Alright, girls and boys, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Ollie here with the song called Not Always Perfect. And that's true when it comes to my tutorials as well. Sometimes they're not always perfect, but anyway, I hope they are helpful and I hope you will enjoy this. So take a moment, if you enjoy my previous tutorials here, to take a moment to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. And let's go with this one from Ollie. Not always perfect. We're going clean here, so no need for any capo. All right, so it goes, this picking melody goes in the same way from the beginning till the very end here. It's about 4 chords. So let's take a look at the chords. Or actually grips is enough here, because we'll not strum or so, just pick from the chords. So we'll start with the F sharp chord here. What you need to hold is this, okay? So that's a bar here on the 2nd fret, and you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 3rd on G. Okay, so you're gonna pick 2nd on E, 4th on A, back to 2nd on E, and 3rd on the G. You're gonna play that for 3 rounds, so. And then you're gonna end with just 2nd, E, 4th, A, and 2nd, E. And then a short pause. So, 2nd, E, 4th, A, 2nd, E, and 3rd, G. You play that for 3 rounds, and then you end with 2nd E, 4th A, and 2nd E with a pause. That takes us to the next grip here. It will be based upon the C sharp chord. You hold this grip here. You play. Okay, so you place a bar on the 4th position, 4th fret, and you bar all strings except from the last E here in the bass. And then you need to add 6 on the D string and 6 on B. So with that grip, you're gonna play 4th on A, 6 on D, back to 4th on A, and 6 B. That part you play for 3 rounds, so. And then you end with 4th A, 6 D, and 4th A, plus a pause. That was the C sharp. Now let's go over to the G sharp minor chord. And the grip looks like this. This is what you need to hold. It's a bar still on the 4th fret. Now you bar all strings there. And then you need to add 6 on the A string. So with that grip, you're gonna play this. Okay, so that is 4th on E, 6 on A, 4th on E, and then 4th on G. So these 4 notes you're gonna play for 3 rounds. So for 3 rounds. And then you end with 4th E, 6A, and 4th E with a pause. And then we are heading towards the final chord here, the 4th chord, and that's Bisa's version here. So the grip looks like this, and it sounds. So you place a bar on the 2nd fret, you bar all strings except from the last E here. So 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add 4th on the D string. So with that grip, you're gonna play 2nd on A, 4th on D, back to 2nd on A, and 2nd on B. And that 4 notes you're gonna play for 3 rounds as well. So it will be. And then you end with 2nd A, 4th D, 2nd A, and a pause. And that's the end of it. So there you have the song. I'm gonna play through for you slowly so you really hear and understand what's going on here. So let's go from the beginning. We're gonna play the F sharp, the C sharp, the G sharp, and the B sus. Let's go. And that's what's going on here with Ollie's. Not always perfect. You just take it up in tempo just a tad there. It's not that fast, this song, when it comes to the playing, and you are set for the song. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please let me know there. Hit a like button there, and yeah, play tuned.